tell y'all about, completely off subject, but let me tell y'all about these new Hot Pockets with the pancake crust instead of breaded pack. We're gonna get into that in another video, because y'all know I am out to help my girls gain natural weight, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna talk about that in another video. But welcome back, babies. It's your girl Expensive Taste, and y'all read that title, so y'all already know what's going on. So let's just go ahead and hop straight into it.
Send me auto, send me auto. No, I'm home, I'm Morado, I'm Morado. Her body art, I'm Leonardo, and she scream that she mine. 100 X ain't no dime, automata waste my time. I just put ice all on her neck, she know she mine. She pull commas in on the check, she don't need mine. I just bought a brand new lingerie, she know she fine. That's mine. It ain't no hole in me, drugs in my body.
Here, maybe I would say about 3 weeks ago, maybe, and it was really pretty when I first got it. If you have not seen how the hair was when I first got it in its natural state, go back and watch my last video on it, and you'll be able to see that. But since then, I have gotten a chance to actually wash it twice. I did flat iron it actually a long time ago, but y'all know I stay in Florida, and Florida had other plans for me the day I flat ironed it, y'all. I went to go and get me something to eat, and it started like it was like a hurricane outside. It made me so mad. I didn't have my jacket, didn't have my umbrella. It was in the car, and I was already in the building, so really pissed from that. But and I washed it again, and I deep conditioned it, and I wore it straight. I'll insert a few pictures. All right, y'all, so this is day 2 after the initial flat iron, and again, y'all, I'm not happy about her just to be true, because I mean, if I have to brush and comb too many times, like with the tangles and whatnot, then it's really just not a bop for me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not. I mean, it got straight, and then, like I said, once I washed it, it did, like, revert back to its natural texture and everything, which is, you know, great. But, again, like I said, it just ain't doing what I thought it was gonna do. So, I mean, I guess with some hair like this, you could just stick to trying to crinkle it or curl it, which I actually am going to do as far as the update goes, because this flat iron is not going to last too long to me, because I don't like having to constantly comb all the time. So what I'm going to do next is probably just curl it or something, or crinkle it or some shit. But like I said, y'all, the flat iron ain't lasting long with your girl, okay? So, alright, y'all, it's another day, and pretty much you can see how frizzy this is at the end. So y'all can see that. Child, I'm over this hair, and I'm just gonna do what I have to do to try to make it work. So when I get back, I'm going to curl it or something. But y'all, it literally took this hair no time to become like an epic fail for me. Like, it was okay during the first, you know, weeks where it was like in its natural state, but y'all, like, first of all, look at it now. Like, honestly, this is not the move for me when it comes down to quality of hair. Like, oh my god, that don't work for me. It don't work for me. Y'all, this feels really dry and like super crunchy, and I shampooed this with some really good shampoo, silicone mix, and then I also restored it with some Pantene Moisture Renewal Conditioner. That is, like, y'all, the holy grail of conditioners to me when it comes down to installs, because it literally gives it all the life back. Like, I love that conditioner, but this is not working. Like, I would have to literally brush and comb this every couple minutes. Like, that don't work for me. Like, what's the point in wearing it straight if I'm gonna have to keep, you know, trying to straighten it out myself when I've already flat ironed it? So what's the point, man? There is no point. So it's starting to decline in quality for me, so it's like a no, sis. It's a no. And y'all, it's been just about 3 weeks, and quality wise, I am not digging it. The color is still pretty, but the color was starting to fade, so I used Adore, I think it's the color is like royal blue or something like that. And after I shampooed it, I did put some more color on top of here just to try to keep it dark and vivid. But other than that, it definitely was fading. It was fading. But of course, this hair was 613 at one point, and it was dyed. So yeah, it's gonna fade after a couple shampoos. It's definitely gonna fade, and it's up to you on how you're gonna take care of it and whatnot. But what I want to do, like, I'm really not feeling this, y'all. I'm not feeling this. Like, I be out looking dumb after a couple minutes because I have to start, you know, trying to straighten it out myself. Like, again, if you haven't seen how much this hair was, it was just about a little over $100, and it came, I got the closure, I forgot how big it was. I think it's 4x4, but I got the closure, and then I got the 3 bundles, and I made, of course, this unit. But ooh, child, I'm so sick of this, y'all. I don't do the dryness and the crunchiness and the overwhelming shedding and whatnot. Yeah, that's the hair. But I would just say, if you want something super temporary, of course, then, you know, go ahead and get it. You know, it looks great in its natural state, but the quality has declined like super quick. It declined really, really quick, y'all. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm about to do is I'm going to curl this, and then we're gonna see how long it holds up, because sometimes when I get hair that I feel like is not like super good quality, I will curl it or crinkle it or put it in a ponytail just to, you know, stretch the life out of it or whatever, and turn it into what I call like a rainy day wig. But yeah, I mean, child, so what I want to do is I'm going to curl this, and then we're gonna see how long that lasts, if the curls hold or anything like that. But other than that, so far I'm giving this hair a partial no, because it did start off super pretty in the beginning when it was in its natural state, like super pretty. But after a few washes, I would say like 2 washes, the quality declined like super quick. Like, this is dry, and it's a little stiff. It's not, it doesn't have as much body. So with that being said, I'm gonna go curl this so I won't be out in public looking a fool, because I do gotta make a couple runs today. I'm gonna go curl this, and then we're just gonna see how long this holds up. Like, so I will be back. All right, so I just finished curling this. I'm just gonna let the curls like just sit for a little bit until I go, before I actually finger through and, like, you know, shush it like she's supposed to be shushed, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna leave it like this for a moment. I mean, like, all of 6 minutes, maybe, no, not 6 minutes. This took me just about, I would say about 10 minutes to curl my whole head. Like, y'all, it really didn't take that much, and I wasn't really trying to do all that. But we'll get into another video of the tools that I use, but this literally just took like a couple minutes to do. So again, I'm just gonna let it sit for a while until I finger through it and, you know, shush her. But, you know, we'll give it a moment. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is her. I just got done curling, and all I did was just kind of finger through the curls to separate them. But, you know, let's see how long this lasts, because I definitely couldn't deal with it being dry and crunchy, you know, with it being straight or whatever. But yeah, that just was not going to work, and I'll update y'all soon on how this goes with the curls.
Welcome to L.
Told you I'm a real one. You can't hurt me, I don't feel none. I feel like I'm worth a couple million. You just wanna live some. Say I love you, you a real one. For you, I'm a savage, I'ma kill some. For you, I'ma drill some. Oh, you a savage with the shits. Stay, don't get a paddock for your wrist. You know you the baddest bitch. Sorry, you know you ain't average. It be basic if I say the baddest chick. You could never be basic. And you know I'm a great pick. I could give her everything.